Artificial kidney. You can say hemodialysis. Kidney are vital organs for survival. Several factors like infections, injuries, or restricted blood flow to kidney reduce the activity of kidneys. This leads to accumulation, means deposition of poisonous wastes in the body, which can even lead to death. In case of kidney failure, an artificial kidney can be used. Actually, an artificial kidney is a device to remove nitrogenous waste product from the blood through dialysis. You can see at your screen the artificial kidney or the process of hemodialysis, a person lying on the bed, line from the artery to pump, blood is there, and passing through the tubing made of a selectively permeable membrane filled with dialyzing solution. Blood is filtered over there. Fresh dialyzing solution is continuously over there, and the used dialyzing solution with urea and excess salt stored in other bottle. In this way, the blood is filtered outside the body. Artificial kidney contain a number of tubes, as you have seen in the diagram, with a semi-permeable lining suspended in a tank filled with dialyzing fluid. This fluid has the same osmotic pressure as blood, except that it is devoid of nitrogenous waste. The patient's blood is passed through these tubes. During this passage, the waste product from the blood pass into dialyzing fluid by diffusion. The purified blood is pumped back into the patient. This is similar to the function of the kidney, but it is different since there is no reabsorption involved. Keep in mind, no reabsorption in artificial kidney. One thing keep in mind, student. Normally in a healthy adult, the initial filtrate in the kidney is about 180 liter daily. The urine is producing in kidney is 180 liter, but even your weight is not 180 liter. What happened to this urine? However, the volume actually excreted is only a liter or two, 1.75 liter, because the remaining filtrate is reabsorbed in the kidney tubules. And also you can see the composition of urine at your screen. 0.05% ammonia, sulfate, phosphate, etc., etc. Now, excretion in plant. Plants use completely different strategies for excretion than those of animals. Oxygen itself can be thought of as waste product, generated during photosynthesis. We have discussed earlier how plants deal with oxygen as well as CO2. They can get rid of excess water by transpiration. Excess means excretion of water. For other waste, plants use the fact that many of their tissues consist of dead cells, and they can even lose some parts such as leaves. You can see at your screen. Many plant waste products are stored in cellular vacuoles. Waste products may be stored in leaves that fall off. Other waste products are stored as resins and gums, especially in old xylem, as we have seen the last photo. Plants also excrete some waste substances into the soil around them. So, what are the waste products of the plant? With some extent oxygen, with some extent of water, some resins, old leaves, gums, etc. So this is all about the excretion in plant and animals.